Suppose you are looking to save space on your crowded or tiny desk. In that case, going for a keyboard with a 60% form factor might just be your best bet, as these have a smaller footprint, making them ideal for portability and allowing for closer mouse placement for improved ergonomics. So to help you choose one that is ideal for your setup, we have curated a list of the top 10 best 60% keyboards that are great for both productivity and play. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Here at Top 10 Zone, we are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new products and create a list of top 10 best products based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision.
Now let's talk about our today's sponsor, which is WinX Video Converter. WinX Video Converter is an all-in-one Windows video processing tool that integrates video converter, compressor, downloader, editor, and slideshow maker. You will get the complete support for all types of 4K videos, including AVCHD, MTS, MOD, MKV, HEVC, and H.265 shot with camcorder, DSLRs, GoPro, DJI, iPhone 10, or Android devices. You can even compress large-size 4K video to 1080p or lower video resolution up to 90% smaller in size. It also lets you easily cut, crop, subtitle, edit videos, and adjust parameters and more. This tool is powered by full GPU acceleration and hyper-threading for super fast compression, while its built-in high-quality engine ensures 98% original quality reserve. You can transform photos into breathtaking slideshows by putting your favorite music and convert it to JPG, PNG, BMP photos in just about any video format. So why are you waiting? Find the link on the description box and download it right now. Change out switches on a whim and have a completely different tactile experience with the EPOMAKER SkyLoom SK61, which will allow you to reprogram any key to your liking. It adopts the renowned Gate-Ron optical switches and provides tons of fun options that you can customize to your unique preference. You can also reprogram any key to make custom macros and add layers for extra functions. To further personalize your tapping experience, you can expand up to 3 FN function keys. The main board is water resistant and dust proof, while the PVC keycaps are sturdy and oil proof even after a long time of use. Its 16.8 million RGB backlight adds a touch more cool element when playing games, and there are also hundreds of lighting effects available for download through EPOMAKER's constantly updating database. Overall, the SkyLoom SK61 is a truly unique looking 60% keyboard that will take your gaming setup to the next level. Boasting great responsiveness, fluidity, and durability, the Happy Hacking keyboard is designed for professionals who are seeking ultimate speed, efficiency, and comfort. These 60% keyboards are made in Japan from high-quality materials and components that will last for years. Its electrostatic capacitive key switches provide an unrivaled keying experience with an extremely smooth key press and satisfying sound. Designed specifically for advanced coding and gaming, its contoured key settings reduce hand and arm fatigue. It supports both Bluetooth and USB-C connections. Also, you will be able to connect up to 4 Bluetooth devices and swap between them instantly. Besides, if you want to create your own key map, you can easily use its key map customization function. So if you want to have a comfortable tapping experience for your long working sessions, then the Happy Hacking keyboard is the one to go for. With a commitment to quality, the Cooler Master SK622 takes a modern approach to the classic mechanical keyboard and delivers an awesome aesthetic to match your gaming setup. The 60% keyboard layout is outfitted with low-profile mechanical RGB switches with upgraded ergonomic keycaps for a tapping experience that feels really comfortable. It registers keystrokes instantly thanks to a 32-bit ARM Cortex processor for consistent precision and performance. Additionally, its hybrid connectivity lets you choose between wired or wireless on both Mac and Windows devices so that you can have the ultimate on-the-go keyboard. Its Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity features lower power consumption with minimal input lag, combined with a large internal battery that you can quickly recharge with a USB-C cable. And with per-key backlighting, it adds a cool ambiance to your setup, while its innovative on-the-fly system enables you to customize per-key backlighting without any software. Offering a mix of flair and functionality, the Cooler Master SK622 is a remarkable engineered keyboard that is great for both work and play. Now get introduced to the TKO gaming keyboard from KINESIS, which is designed for conventional typing, coding, and gaming. Featuring a 60% standard layout with modular triple spacebar and hot swap KL box switches, this keyboard can rival the most premium ones currently out in the market. Let's talk about the HyperX triple spacebar a bit more, as it can be independently programmed to perform a different action to boost your gameplay or productivity. And if you just want to have a regular sized spacebar, you can do so because this keyboard is fully modular. Aside from that, its dual zone RGB lighting can be configured to match your gaming PC and other peripherals on your desk. In a nutshell, the KINESIS TKO gaming keyboard is an excellent, compact keyboard that will surely impress your gaming buddies. Get iconic tactile feedback with the ROG KLUDGE RK61, a 60% mechanical gaming keyboard that you will really appreciate if you are not a fan of cables. You will get incomparable clicky feedback and a refreshing tactile feel from its blue switches, while the 61 keys layout helps save valuable desk space. It comes with a 1.5-meter detachable Type-C cable that provides a convenient charging method and solid data transmission. When you switch it on Bluetooth, you will be able to connect it to 3 devices at a time and swap between them simultaneously. On top of all that, it is incredibly lightweight, as its frame weighs merely 500 grams, making it absolutely effortless to carry around. All in all, this ROG KLUDGE RK61 is a beautifully designed keyboard that you will love if you are a minimalist. Now presenting the ANI Pro 2, a 60% dual-mode mechanical keyboard that enables you to configure it to meet your specific needs or gaming preferences. With this keyboard, the possibilities are endless when it comes to customization. You can configure it with either Gatron switches or box switches or cherry switches. Choosing your frame and switching colors is also an option. For a great tapping experience, it features double-shot PBT keycaps. There are also 16 programmable macro keys on the keyboard so that you can use them to gain an edge while gaming. Moreover, the 16.8 million RGB backlighting is individually addressable, and the dynamic lighting effects are programmable. It can be connected to your computer with either Bluetooth 5.0 or its Type-C port, and its large 1900 mAh battery is capable of providing you with up to 8 hours of wireless usage. To conclude, the ANI Pro 2 is a highly customizable keyboard that offers great gaming and productivity features. Experience lightning-fast actuation and dominate the competition with the Razer Huntsman Mini, which boasts tons of cool features and is an absolute flagship 60% keyboard that is certainly worth the price. This keyboard uses Razer's linear optical switches that provide satisfying clicky feedback and respond accurately to your deep and deliberate keystrokes. The keycaps themselves are extremely durable, as the labels will not fade and wear down thanks to their double-shot molding process. It also features Razer Chroma RGB, which will give you access to a suite of colors and effects. Plus, its dynamic lighting effects will react to your in-game actions for more immersive gameplay. So if you want to defeat the competition in style, going with the Razer Huntsman Mini will certainly help you achieve that. Designed with an excellent combination of performance, style, and durability, the HyperX Alloy Origin 60 is a great keyboard suitable for intense gaming sessions. This keyboard incorporates HyperX's proprietary mechanical switches that are balanced for great accuracy and responsiveness. Furthermore, it has an all-aluminum body that gives it a premium look, while the double-shot PBT keycaps allow for up to 80 million keystrokes. It also has 3 adjustable tilt angles, so choose your preferred position and keep your wrists as comfortable as possible. And with the HyperX NGENUITY software, you will be able to easily set macro commands, customize its RGB lighting, and even adjust the game mode. All things considered, the HyperX Alloy Origin 60 is a supremely compact keyboard that will give you more room for sweeping mouse movements. Feast your eyes on a compact keyboard that is unlike any other wireless keyboard you have ever used before. Meet the Asus ROG Falchion, winner of CES 2021 and Red Dot 2021 award. Even though it is a 60% keyboard, it manages to keep in the arrow keys, while an interactive touch panel on the side lets you conveniently adjust volume and other settings. With ROG PBT double-shot keycaps, it provides a premium feel, reduced key wobble, and offers long-lasting durability. Featuring wireless Aura Sync RGB lighting, the whole color spectrum and a wide range of dynamic lighting effects are at your command. Its dual mode connectivity allows you to use it either wired or wirelessly. You will get stable performance and up to 450 hours of battery life when connected via Bluetooth. Aside from that, it also comes with a polycarbonate keyboard cover that enables you to easily take it anywhere and provides on-the-go protection. In conclusion, the Asus ROG Falchion is a superb keyboard that masterfully incorporates 68 keys without taking up much desktop space. Top-notch gaming performance coupled with incredible portability is what the Corsair K65 MINI delivers, giving you seamless performance in a sleek and compact package. With Cherry MX Speed silver key switches, this keyboard provides quick response time and short actuation distance, making it perfect for fast-paced competitive games. Additionally, it features Corsair's Axon Hyper Processing technology, which enables it to deliver inputs up to 4 times faster than any standard keyboard. Also, you can customize each key by adding your own customized keycap set that shows off your personal style. There is an extensive set of shortcuts and features printed on the side of the switches, allowing you to control macros, media, lighting, and more. Overall, the K65 RGB MINI Corsair offers exceptional customizability and delivers big features compressed into a 60% form factor. It is certainly worth its value. So that was our list of the top 10 best 60% keyboards just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.